Hello guys and welcome to Forex Success. Okay, this is crash and boom strategy. The crash and boom strategy I'm showing you right now. So as you all know, the condition for this strategy it's for you to allow the red moving average to cross above this green line at the overbought level. Then you place the sell. And look, I'm catching spike. You catch spike. It gave me a black bar. I leave it for another spike. Again, black bar. I leave it, which indicates another spike. Black bar. I leave it, indicates another spike, and another spike. I leave it, another spike. So I'm gonna be taking profit soon. So guys, but considering, yeah, so I'm gonna take my profit right now for this trade. Exactly. So that is the strategy for crash and boom. It's a very powerful strategy, guys. Very powerful strategy. So right now I'm gonna show you the indicators for this strategy. So this is how you use this strategy. Let me show you how you can set the indicators for this strategy. So guys, the first indicator you will need for this strategy, it's these are the three indicators you need for the strategy. So let me clear my chart so you can see me set the indicators well, so you can learn from it. Okay, so you need three indicators for this strategy. The first, you look for the commodity channel index. You click on it, you select your period to period 14, then apply to typical price, the style 2 pixel, the color green, the levels. Let me delete these levels. You click on delete button, delete, so you click the plus and the plus button, then levels 100 and negative 100. You see that? You go back, then you click done. You see that, guys? Then the next indicator we need is the moving average at indicator window 1, not on the main chart. You click on indicator window 1, moving average period 10, shift 0, method simple, apply to close, the style 4 pixel, select 4 pixel, and you use color red. You click done. So this is the moving average we just added. The next indicator now, which is the last one, is the average, the market facilitation index. So you scroll down, market facilitation index, the volume, you use tick, the line width 4 pixel, the MFI up green, MFI down black, MFI down up. For volume down you use black, just as you can see on my screen. Then you click done. That's the strategy, guys. That's just the strategy. So for the zoom level, you use the third zoom level for this strategy. So I've zoomed to the first zoom level right now. If I pinch the screen outwards, this is the second zoom level. I do it again, this is the third zoom level. So we are using the third zoom level for this strategy. We are using 1 minute time frame. 1 minute time frame for this strategy. Okay, so 1 minute time frame, that is what we'll be using for this strategy. So now, how do you trade using this strategy? You can see the results with this strategy. It's a very powerful strategy, guys. Very powerful strategy. You can see the results. Okay, this is the trade I took today with this strategy for crash to catch spike continuously. So that's it. Okay, so right now I told you guys, as soon as the red moving average cross above this green line at the overbought level, which is from this 100 up, you can place a sell. You can see. So if you enter the sell at this point, you catch this spike, you catch that spike also. You get that, guys? If you enter the sell at this point, you catch this spike. You can see it gave you a black bar, indicates another spike. So that's it, guys. That's the strategy. So I caught this spike, it gave me a black bar, another spike. This is the black bar. Black bar indicates another spike, and it is more effective on crash 500 the black bar that indicates another spike is more effective, guys, on crash 500. So this is the strategy we're talking about. It crosses above at this point, then it spikes. You can see it crosses above at this point, it spikes. It's a very powerful strategy for crash and boom. It crosses above, it spikes. You can see continuously crosses above. As far the condition is met, guys, it's going to give you what you deserve. It's going to give you what you deserve. So as you see the strategy, as you see the red moving average cross above the green line at the overbought level, you place yourself, you get ready to catch spike. Look, it crosses above, it spikes continuously. It crosses above, it spikes. That is the strategy, guys. So let's check it out on boom 1000 index. So on boom 1000 index and boom 500, you just do the inverse of crash. So if I were here to take this trade, as soon as I find out that this red moving average crosses below this green line at the oversold level, I'll place a sell. Then I'll catch this spike. I got this black bar, I'll wait for another spike. Look, another spike. At this point, this is the second spike. So I'm off the trade. So that's it, guys. That's just the strategy. Simple and powerful strategy. Simple and powerful strategy. You look for a place where the condition is met again. Look, it crosses below at the oversold level. It made a spike. It gave us a black bar, then another spike. You can see here too, it crosses below, it spiked. It gave us a black bar, another spike. This boom 1000 index, very powerful strategy, guys. Check out crash 1000. The strategy works. Look, it crosses above at this overbought level, it spiked. You can see that crosses above at the overbought level, it spiked. Above, spike. It crosses above at the overbought level, it spikes. That is the strategy, guys. Very powerful strategy for boom 1000. Sorry, boom 500 index. It crosses below at the overbought level, at the oversold level, it spikes. It crosses below at the oversold, it spikes continuously. At the oversold, it spikes. At the oversold, you catch spike with this strategy. Nice, powerful strategy, guys, for crash and boom. Yeah, that's it, guys. So once again, make sure you hit that red subscribe button to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified each time I drop a new video, a new strategy. Then you can check out our strategies at the description. The link are all in the description. The strategy for step index, strategy for volatility 10 index, strategy for volatility 75 index, they are all on our description right now. So click on the link and watch the video so you learn the strategy. So guys, make sure you open an account on Deriv. If you don't have an account, you got the link at the description below. So click on the link and then you open an account with Deriv. So you start trading. You start trading synthetic indices. It's 24/7, 24-hour, 7 days. Every day you trade synthetic indices. The market doesn't close and it's very volatile. So thanks, guys, for watching, and I wish you all a successful trading life.